it's really critical that you understand blade thinness. If I needed to thin this knife back so that the taper was longer, the back of this is like a 3-inch wide knife. The back of the knife would be 1/4 of an inch off the platen. The contact patch would be about 1 to 1.5 inches wide, and that would create so much heat that I couldn't do very much work. But if I work on the top of the contact wheel, I'm not pinching the belt between the knife and a piece of steel. I can remove more material more aggressively with less heat faster. It takes more skill to do it. One of the first things I do when I'm assessing a knife, and this goes back to the first step, is this is all I do. I just feel how thin the blade is. Pinch that and see how thin it is. I sell a lot of knives on my trucks and in my store in San Mateo, and Kikuichi is my biggest line of Japanese knives. And Hero back here is their rep, and we have some of their stock on the table. It's really great stuff. So if you would have done that micrometer pinch on this knife, you would know that this knife is twice as thick as that knife. And so if I want to thin this blade on the top of the contact wheel, the contact wheel is very soft. I haven't even touched the edge yet. I'm only working on the side of the knife. Now I've got the roughness from this 120 grit belt, and I'm going to use this polishing blending wheel. To thin it. Assessing a knife, knowing the knife that you're looking at. There's other things that you need to know